OpenBuildings Designer gives us the ability to easily add fireproofing to structural elements within our model. To do so, we select the Apply Fireproofing tool in the Structural tab. In the dialog box which opens, we can select the type of fireproofing we would like to apply. Then in the placement options, we may specify the thickness of the fireproofing in millimeters and the profile. The contoured option applies fireproofing material using the specified thickness following the contours of the member cross-section. The blocked option applies fireproofing monolithically around the member cross-section, with the thinnest portion being equivalent to the specified thickness. Let's choose the contoured option for now. The length controls the linear extents of fireproofing relative to the selected member length. We have several options. Cutback distance applies fireproofing along the length of the member, but stops where the automatic coping or cutbacks are applied. Full member length applies fireproofing along the entire length of the element, ignoring copes and cutbacks. By setback, by value, applies fireproofing along the length of the member, but stops at a distance determined by the specified start and end values entered. By setback, as a percentage, applies fireproofing along the length of the member, but stops at a distance determined by percentages of the overall member length. Let's select the setback by value option for now, since we would like to not place fireproofing where our floor slab is located and where the upper beam connects to the column. For the setback at the start, we enter in the value of the thickness of the floor slab, which is 200 millimeters. And for the setback at the end, we enter the height of the upper beam, which is 330 millimeters. To apply fireproofing, all we have to do is specify the structural element we would like to apply it to and accept our selection with a left mouse click. If we turn on the floor slab using the level display, we see that the fireproofing starts just above the floor slab. Next, let's apply fireproofing to another column, only this time we will select the blocked profile to see the difference. When applying fireproofing to beams, it is useful to select the Omit Top Fireproofing option. This places fireproofing on all sides of the beam except on the top side, since that is where the floor slab is located. We can adjust the setback to 150 millimeters, which is half the column depth. Once the fireproofing is applied, we can visually see that fireproofing on top of the beam has been omitted. If we check the schedules, we can see that the amounts of fireproofing for the columns are being calculated automatically by the software. The same is true for the beam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. If you want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to this and Bentley's other channels. Thank you, and see you next time.